Okay. So after we first start, just read out first three sentence only. After that, Orkopriya will start. So Orkopriya just follow Atrey.
The sun is a huge ball of fire. It rises in the east and sets in the west. It gives us heat and light. The sunlight helps us to see the world around us. With the help of sunlight, plants make their food. Human beings and animals also need sunlight to survive.
Okay.
Color?
Okay, very good. But
Ma'am.
very good. But I told you read out only three sentences. Three sentences mean with up to heat and light. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Spondan, I'm asking you after Orkopriya, okay? Yes, Orkopriya. Read the first sentence from the page 83. Student,
the sun also
I don't like it. Don't raise your hand.
in many ways.
Student, okay? Let me allow choose my student, those who are very weak in those who really don't want to read out. Let me first choose them. Okay? Yes, Orkopriya.
The sun also helps us in many ways. The sun heats up the water from water bodies, which result in rain. The sun heat helps us to dry our clothes. The sun kills germs that cause diseases. The sun keeps us warm during winter season.
Okay. Very good. Stop.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Student, from your side, don't stop your reading. You may continue. Okay, you may continue, please. I can see that Ritosri, everyone are sitting silently. Why, student? Practice reading? Yes, Pandon. Start reading from light.
Light. We need light to see different things around us. That is why during daytime we can see things clearly. Do you know how we can see different things in nighttime? With the help of bulb, tubelight, torch, lamp, and candle, we can see at night.
Okay, very good. Very good, Spondon. Day by day, Spondon is improving. Very good. Acha. This time, those who are raising their hand, I will not ask them because they have no faith on me. They are thinking that ma'am will not allow us to read. No, that is not the matter. There are few students, those who are really very weak reading. Acha. Zenifa Khan, unmute your device.
Yes,
Start reading shadows.
When any object comes in the path of light, a dark is
seen on the ground. Is seen on the ground.
Is seen on the ground.
Not the dark shape is called a. This dark shape is called A shadow.
Shadow.
Okay, Acha, Jennifer, I would like to say that someone is sitting beside you and she is helping you to reading out this. Kindly send my SMS to her that when teacher is present in the class, so this is manner. Jennifer, you can directly tell me that ma'am kindly help me to read out this paragraph because I am here. If you face any type of problem, definitely I will help you. So this is also my request to the guardian, to the parents, that no need to guide to your child while she is doing the class. Try to understand. Let her do the class alone. Let her do the class alone. Okay, ওর মতো class করতে দেবেন. If she failed to interact with teacher, this is absolutely her fault. ও যদি টিচারকে না বলতে পারে যে ম্যাম আমাকে হেল্প করুন, তার মানে ওটা কিন্তু ঘাটতিটা থেকেই গেল। ঠিক আছে, আমি কিন্তু এটা দেখতে চাই না ও পড়তে পারলো কিনা, আমাকে এটা দেখতে হবে ওর পড়তে অসুবিধাটা কোথায় হয়। Okay, let me handle her. Why are you taking tension? Okay, so this is my request. যদি সত্যি হেল্প করতে চান আপনার চাইল্ডকে, ওকে বলবেন I'm not present here, think you are doing class alone. Okay, this is your class, this is your ma'am, this is your teacher, do it by yourself. Okay. Okay, Jennifer. Good. Shougato, start reading the second paragraph of shadows. Second paragraph of shadows. Second paragraph of shadows. I think Shougato is facing network problem or intentionally you are silent. Sorry, Somriddho. Somriddho. Yes, Somriddho. Somriddho, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading second paragraph of shadow. Second paragraph.
Ma'am, second paragraph থেকে
Don't use Bengali yet. Shadows are always. Start reading from this sentence. Shadows are always.
shadows are always
Formed
form on the
opposite
opposite side of the light.
Say, what is this? Try to identify the word. Opposite side of the light. Of the light. Of the light source.
Right?
Source.
Source. It is
always black. Black
in color. Black in color.
Okay. Somriddho, you need more practice. Next time, I want to see that you are reading it very well. Okay. Farhan Akhtar, start reading from Length of Shadows.
Stand in a park in morning time, noon time, and evening time, and note the length of
What? Length of your stand in a park in morning time, noon time, and evening time, and note the length of your shadow. What do you observe? What do you observe? Now go to next page. Complete. Yes. You will see that.
Your shadow is longer in morning and evening, but
What? What is this? Try to read.
shorter at noon. It is because the shape and size of the shadow.
You will see that your shadow is longer in morning and evening, but shorter at noon. Why? It is because the shape and size of the shadow changes with the position of the sun. In the first picture, we can see what the position of the sun. Noon, it's morning, it's not above our head. In the noon time, the position of the sun is exactly just above on our head. And evening, when the sun rises, this is the time of sunrise, sunset. So that's why we find that our shadow longer sometime and shorter sometime. Okay, good. Next. From this chapter, I will give one project, okay? That I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will tell you because I want to give you one project from this chapter. Acha. Shwachotto, start reading from the line. You will see that. You will see that.
You will observe
Where is written observe? Okay, yes. You will observe. Okay.
in the size of the shadow of the candle,
Of the
size of
candle. The size,
shadow
the size of a shadow can be changed by
of the change the shadow can be changed by morning and observed color to observe color to or
no,
or
can be changed by moving an object, closer to or further from the light, closer to and further from the light. Okay, let me explain. Okay, just look at this picture. Let me explain it. Just look at the picture and the distance. See, it's written that look at the given picture. What do you observe? We observe that the change in the size of the shadow. See, this is the size. Can you see the length of the shadow? See, this is the first. This is a picture number 1, and see, look at the underline this. You also mark the shadow. After that, you will be able to understand. So change the size of the shadow of the candle. The size of a shadow can be changed by moving an object closer to or further from the light. So it's very simple. In this picture, we can see that this light is very closer to this candle. But in this picture, this light is very far from this candle. So that's why the shadow of this picture is big, and the shadow of this picture is short. Okay, this is the observation. Acha, 1 minute. Alma Sudin, start reading from the first paragraph. First paragraph. The sun.
The sun is a huge ball of fire. It resides in
the heat and sets is the west. It gives us heat and light. The sunlight helps us to see the world around us. With the help of sunlight, plants make their food. Human, yes, beings and animal also need animal also need sunlight to survive. Survive. Okay. Okay. Sri, start reading. Page 83.
Yes.
Page 83. The sun also help us.
Yes, ma'am. The sun ALSO. The sun
Help us.
help us in MANY. Man. WAYS. Ma'am, WAYS.
Ways.
Well, the sun help you pee the water from water
Body. Water body.
Water body
Which results with
in rain.
Okay.
The sun HEAT.
Heat. The sun heat helps us to dry our clothes. Okay. Rabi will start reading and Rabi will sit properly. Sit properly. Start reading. Third point.
We need light. We need light to see different things around us. That is why during daytime we can see things.
In night time. We can see different things in night time. Daytime we can see things clearly. Okay, stop. Practice more reading. Every day I am saying practice more reading. Okay, you need practice more and more. What happened, Almasuddin?
Ma'am, I have got this drawing.
Very nice. Excellent.
Okay, ma'am.
This is excellent in a word. Yes.
Ma'am, in chapter 9, you give question answer. You also give inside question answer in chapter 9.
Yes, from chapter 9, I also send inside question. But have you noticed that all of those are short questions, not long questions. So also prepare those questions. I thought that I should give you if it come in the next essay 2 exam for revision chapter, so it will help you. That's why I gave you few questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Student, 3 minutes left on. Acha, Orindam. Yes, Orindam. Read. After that, the remaining student will be asked by me next day.
Ma'am,
Next day.
shadows.
Shadow. First paragraph only. Up to shadow.
When any object come in the path of light, a dark shape is seen on the ground. This dark shape is called a shadow. Shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the light source. It is always black in color. Length of shadows. Stand in a park in morning
Okay, you may
time.
stop now. You may stop now. Okay. Because I want to say something. Fatia, what happened? Why are you laughing? Acha, Fatia, Ankush, tomorrow we'll ask you. Ankush, your camera is very easy. Blur, it's showing me blur. Okay, Fatiha, Ankush, Shogato, Ifra, what happened? Why are you raising your hand? Rahat, what I said? That half of the student will ask by me tomorrow. Those who are left to ask today will ask you tomorrow. Okay? We'll ask you definitely tomorrow. Tomorrow, after joining in the class, raise your hand. Definitely, I'll ask you. Now listen to me. Look at the screen. This one, this is your homework for tomorrow. Match the object with their shadow. Do it in the book. And this one, color the picture. This one also your homework. Write it down in your book. This is also your homework. This one. This one also your homework. Name the following. Name the following. These all are your homework for tomorrow. You have to write the name of the picture. Here you have to color this plant. And for this you have to, what you have to do? For this you have to match the shadow of the picture. Is it clear to all? So these three are your homework for tomorrow. Okay? Okay.